Today we're unboxing the Seiko Astron SSH185J1, also known as the Seiko Panda. Make sure to watch until the end for a special discount code. Inside the box, you'll find the original Seiko packaging, along with the official warranty card and documentation. The reference number is SSH185J1, and this model is part of the Seiko Astron collection. The case measures 43.4 millimeters in diameter and has a thickness of 13.4 millimeters. This is a limited edition of just 1,200 pieces worldwide, featuring a super hard-coated titanium case with a ceramic and aluminum bezel. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. Despite its size, it feels incredibly balanced and lightweight thanks to the titanium construction. And once again, this is how the watch looks on my wrist outdoors, in natural daylight where the Panda dial and green accents really come to life. Personally, I think this is a stunning watch. A high-tech, limited edition Seiko that perfectly blends innovation with premium design.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.